Have you ever heard the phrase stop blocking your blessing? Well, I want to ask you, what if the only reason why God hasn't blessed you with the thing that He had for you is because you were blocking your own blessing? Not your enemies, not your finances, not your resources, not none of it. You, you are blocking your own blessing. And I had to ask myself the same thing on why I was blocking my own blessing. And it kind of hurt because I thought I was doing everything right. Right. But that level of awareness also healed me as well, because when you understand that you are the only one in the way of your own blessing, you have the chance of to actually fix it. So the thing is, a lot of people are praying for blessings that they actually are praying to God and asking for these things while actually protecting the very things that's keeping them blocked. You on the block list for blessings, right? But for me, there were three things that actually kept me from receiving the things that I needed to grow as an entrepreneur, as a person, and as a servant. And so let me break these things down for you so that way you can have that same level of awareness as I did. So that way you can move forward and actually see the actual abundance that God actually has for you in the background. So the first thing that I had to realize that needed to change about me in order for me to stop blocking my blessing was I had to change my mindset. The way that I thought kept me broke. The way that I thought kept me bound to a place of mediocrity, a place where I could not grow into a person or into the place where I wanted to go. Right. I kept saying to myself things like, I guess this is just how it is for me. My folks did this before, so why not me? I never seen anybody in my family do this. So how can I? My mindset that kept me in lack of thinking that I wasn't good enough, the things that I wasn't able to do. I didn't think that I had value to give to other people. My mindset kept me from actually reaching a place of abundance. So for you, what are you believing about yourself that's keeping you from actually seeing that same abundance? Like the truth is, your actual belief system about how you see things, it dictates your actual reality. Your perspective, your perspective is the same thing that is either pushing you to success or keeping you in the same place where you are. And the thing is, until you actually overcome that same mindset of I can't do this, I don't have what it takes, I don't even why would people want to buy from me? Until you change your mindset, you're never going to receive the things that God has for you, because you have to first believe that all these things are for you and can happen for you. You are more than enough, just like I did. I had to overcome myself before I can actually go out and serve people, because the very thing that I said that nobody wanted was the very thing that people needed in order to see their lives change. Because the only difference between you and the next person is the way that you actually are packaged. Your personality, your uniqueness, all these things are packaged in you. They may not want to hear the next person say it the same way, because they want to hear it from you and the way that you explain it. I had somebody tell me that they heard the advice that was given as far as how to actually live life worth living and actually see success in their business. But the way that I broke it down and the way that I illustrated everything was the very thing that they needed to have that aha moment. Now, here I was thinking that the very thing that I had was not worthy, was not valuable. Why are you blocking your blessing? Change your mindset, change your life. Because if you don't believe, why should other people? And so the second thing that literally kept me bound and kept me blocked from my blessings was doubt. Doubt, doubt, doubt. And some people would even call this imposter syndrome or whatever the case may be. But the root of it is fear and doubt, right? It's not just your doubt, it's the doubt that other people have planted inside of you. That doubt didn't, it wasn't there